Many of us feel trapped, stuck in jobs we don't enjoy, working for a paycheck, not a purpose. Is this really all there is? We sacrifice our time, our energy for what? A bigger house, a fancier car. These things don't bring lasting happiness. True fulfillment comes from freedom. Freedom to pursue our passions. Freedom to make a difference. Freedom to live life on our own terms. It's time to break free from the chains of routine and start working for something more. Work for freedom. Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of excitement and purpose. You're not just going through the motions, but genuinely excited to go to work. Picture yourself diving into tasks that ignite your passion, where every project feels like a new adventure. This isn't just a dream, it's the power of having the freedom to pursue what truly matters to you. When you have autonomy in your work, you feel valued and respected. Your ideas are heard, and your contributions matter. You're not just a cog in a machine, but a vital part of something meaningful. Your efforts are recognized and appreciated. This sense of recognition and appreciation leads to greater job satisfaction and personal fulfillment. You're more engaged, more productive, and more committed to your work. Why? Because you're deeply invested in the outcome. Your work is not just a task, but a reflection of your dedication and creativity. Your workspace becomes a canvas for your ideas, and your projects are a testament to your skills and hard work. This sense of ownership and control over your work is essential for true happiness and job satisfaction. It's time to reclaim your work, to rediscover the joy of a job well done, and to unleash your full potential. Creativity thrives in an environment of freedom. When you're free to experiment, to take risks, you unlock your full potential. Think of the world's greatest innovators. They weren't afraid to challenge the status quo. They followed their curiosity, their passions, wherever they led. Freedom allows you to think outside the box, to come up with new ideas, new solutions. It empowers you to be a trailblazer, not a follower. When you're not bound by rigid rules and expectations, your imagination soars. You become a force for positive change, both in your work and in the world. Section 4. Breaking the Chains: Stories of Freedom Seekers. In this section, we delve into the lives of those who dared to dream beyond the conventional. These are the stories of individuals who chose to break free from societal expectations and pursue their own unique paths. Consider the entrepreneur who left a secure job to pursue a dream. This person faced uncertainty and risk, yet they chose to follow their passion. They traded the comfort of a steady paycheck for the excitement of building something of their own. Or the artist who defied convention to share their unique vision. Despite the challenges and the naysayers, they persisted. Their art became a medium through which they expressed their true selves, touching the hearts of many. These individuals chose freedom over security. They stood at crossroads, faced with difficult decisions, and opted for the path less traveled. Their courage to embrace the unknown is a testament to their resilience and determination. They took a leap of faith and were rewarded with fulfillment beyond measure. Their achievements are not just milestones, but symbols of their journey towards self-actualization and personal freedom. Their stories inspire us to do the same. They remind us that the pursuit of our dreams is worth the effort, and that the journey itself can be incredibly rewarding. To break free from the ordinary and pursue our own paths. Whether it's climbing a mountain or embarking on a new career, the first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most crucial. To create a life of meaning and purpose. Engaging in activities that resonate with our core values and passions can lead to a more fulfilling and enriched life. It's never too late to start. No matter your age or circumstances, the opportunity to pursue your dreams is always within reach. Planning and taking small steps can lead to significant changes. Take that first step towards freedom. Open that new door, take that bold step forward, and embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. You might be surprised by where it leads you. The journey towards freedom and self-discovery is filled with unexpected joys and opportunities. Embrace it with an open heart and mind. Section 5. The True Reward: Freedom's Embrace. Working for freedom is not about being rich. It's about being fulfilled. It's about waking up every day with a sense of purpose and excitement. It's about knowing that your time and energy are spent on things that truly matter to you. It's about living a life true to yourself. A life where you can express your authentic self without fear or hesitation. It's about finding joy in the little moments and appreciating the journey as much as the destination. When you prioritize freedom, you attract opportunities that align with your values. You find yourself surrounded by people who support and uplift you. You create a network of like-minded individuals who share your vision and passion. Work becomes less about the paycheck and more about the impact. You start to see the difference you make in the lives of others. You realize that your efforts contribute to something greater than yourself. You become a beacon of inspiration for others, showing them that it's possible to live and work on your own terms. You demonstrate that success is not just about financial gain, but about personal growth and fulfillment. You create a ripple effect of positive change. Your actions inspire others to pursue their own dreams and embrace their own freedom. So take a chance. Embrace freedom. Discover the true reward of a life well lived. It's waiting for you. It's in the moments of connection, the acts of kindness, and the pursuit of your passions. Embrace it fully and let it guide you to a life of true fulfillment.